It's okay, I think. Yeah, Eva?
Yes, teacher, is okay.
Okay. So the second part, consistent and inconsistent systems of equations. So two types of systems of equations we'll have. One of them is called inconsistent. The other one is called consistent. What does it mean? We say that a linear system is consistent if it has either one solution or infinitely many solutions. So if a system has one solution or infinitely many solutions, we call that systems consistent. Inconsistent system is the system that doesn't have solution. So you can write only this, like this schema, you know, systems of equations. One of them is inconsistent, the other one is consistent. Which one is consistent? If there is a solution, is consistent. If there is no solution, we call it inconsistent system. Because as you know, in some systems, when you are solving at the end, you will find something that is, how to say, unlogical. For example, you are finding something like 0 is equal to 2, and it's not correct. So in this case, the system, it means that the system doesn't have solution. So these kind of systems are called inconsistent system. You don't have to write all the things, only this part, it will be enough for you to understand. I mean, why we are, as you know, why I'm giving definitions? Because I am not asking definitions, but to know what we are talking about. When you will see in another question, consistent, to understand what does mean consistent. Welcome back, Alexander. Alexander? I am hearing my voice again back. It's okay, can I continue?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see when we are solving how we get the consistent and how we get the inconsistent systems. Now here in the first system, do you remember we had different ways to solve systems? One of them, or which ways, let me ask first to you, which ways you remember? How we can solve a system, for example, how we can solve this one.
Teacher, for example, to multiply the first equation by 2.
Yes.
And then to cancel plus 4x and minus 4x.
Then I am multiplying the first equation. It becomes 4x plus 10y is equal to 4. And the second equation is the same, minus 10y minus 4x is equal to 20. When we'll add these two equations, what we'll get? Look, plus 4x minus 4x. These two will cancel each other.
But also the y's will be cancelled.
Yeah. So here in this case, in this part, right part of the equation, we'll have 0 is equal to, when we'll add this to 24. Is this possible?
No.
It's not possible. So this one, it means that this system doesn't have solution. No solution for this system. So this system is called the inconsistent. Let's see two types of these consistent systems. How we'll solve this one, the first one? Look, here we have 4x minus 3y. Here I have minus 8x plus 3y. So if I want to cancel the x to have only y value, I will multiply the first equation by 2, yes? So it will be 8x minus 6y is equal to 10. And here the second equation is minus 8x plus 6y is equal to minus 10. When we'll
0 is
add,
equal to 0.
yes, when we'll add both sides, what we'll get? Plus 8x minus 8x will cancel each other. Minus 6y plus 6y will cancel. So here we have 0 also, but here it's different. Also, the other side, the left side, is 0. In this case, when you will find 0 is equal to 0, it means that you have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. It means that anything that you will write instead of x and y, you can try. Some cases you will find a solution. Infinitely many solutions you have when you are finding 0 is equal to 0. Okay? In the other one, in the other system, what we have? X plus y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. Now here, we'll use again the same method. By the way, I'm using now this method. You can use another method. You know, for solving systems, you have different kind of methods. So you can use which one you want, but at the end, in any way, you will find the result like this. 0 is equal to 24 and or 0 is equal to 0. Here I'm using this method. You can use another method. Now here, what I can do, I can see that
multiply the first by 3.
yes, we can see here that we have minus 3y. Here I have plus y. So to cancel the y, I will multiply the first equation by 3. And it will be 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. And the other one, 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. Now, when we'll add these two equations, I have plus 3y minus 3y, which will cancel each other. It will be 3x plus 2x, 5x is equal to 15.
So x is 3.
So x is equal to 3. If we found the x, now we can find y easily.
Y will be 2.
I'm taking the first equation, 3 plus y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 2. So as you see, here we have one solution only, xy. The solution is xy is equal to 3, 2. Okay? Did we understand the difference of consistent and inconsistent systems?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, great. If you're writing, I can wait a bit. As you know, the lessons are 40 minutes.
Why, teacher?
The normal lesson time, you know, as in the school.
In high school is 45.
Yes,
Oh.
teacher, it's 45.
But Zoom doesn't let us to have 45 minutes, you know, because
So you use the maximum also.
yes, you know that Zoom, because of Zoom, so you know I can make 50 minutes lesson.
No, Zoom is good for us.
I don't know, we will see if the Zoom doesn't stop, because it can happen. You need to check the time, how many minutes passed, Alexander. It's your duty, okay, to remind me, teacher lesson is finishing. Do you have any question about this?
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Did we understand in which cases we say that there is no solution, and in which cases we say that infinitely many solutions? The other
Teacher.
part, it's okay, we know this, always we are waiting to have this solution, but some cases you may have this one, 0 is equal to 0, or like this. Yes, Alexander?
Who is the class teacher for the boys?
I don't know. I don't know. Why you are so interested about this?
We want to know, teacher.
Okay, I don't know, they will inform you. But if you have anything till your teacher is, I mean, when you will know who is your class teacher, you can ask anything to me, you know. You have my phone number and
Okay.
all the social media.
Teacher,
you
about
can-
the books, do you know something more than other teachers?
No, all of us, we know the same things. So when the books will come, we'll inform you, okay? Some of the books
After
will,
New Year.
after New Year. When you have taken the books after New Year, Alexander? Now you're third grade. You know how it goes, huh?
Yes, teacher, but before we got the books before even starting the school.
Yes, yes, yes. Last year it was like that,
This
but
year
this year,
is more different than others.
yeah, we'll see. Because this year was like, you know, for all of us, we didn't know how. Firstly, we thought that we'll start normally, then it became online, then most of things is a bit mixed because of that. But I hope that as soon as possible the books will arrive. Now, solve the system of linear equation by substitution, by elimination, by row operation. Now I'm giving you time to solve it by substitution and by elimination. It's your job. The other part I will show you, okay?
Teacher, by elimination is the same that we solved, right?
Yes, that is the elimination method that we solved. You are canceling one of the variables. Substitution, do you remember substitution? You are finding, like, for example, I'm taking y, I'm finding y in terms of x, then I'm writing in the other equation instead of y, that expression. Do you remember?
Yes, teacher. I think yes.
Okay. And Stanislav will solve the first one. Okay, Stache?
Which substitution, teacher, by A, or I can do it whichever way I want to?
Which one you want to?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, I'm giving you time to solve firstly in your notebook or in a paper where you are, what you're using
Okay,
right
teacher,
now.
one thing.
Okay, then you will explain to all of us. When you will be ready, tell me.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. And Alexander will solve the second way.
By elimination, teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
By the way, can you see the questions? The screen is still shared with you?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like the
Okay.
board.
Okay. Ermal,
Yes, teacher.
welcome. Where were you?
I was at the doctor, teacher.
What happened? Are you okay?
I would say I'm okay, but I'm not actually.
Wow, what is the problem?
Maybe COVID, maybe I don't know.
Really? Geçmiş olsun.
And I'm vaccinated. Sağ ol hocam. And I'm vaccinated too, but I don't know.
Which vaccination you got?
Pfizer, teacher.
Pfizer. You're young man. It
I
will
know, teacher. I did 5 tests, all of them negative. The doctor says I have COVID. I don't know what to believe.
What you feel? How you feel yourself?
Good, teacher. I'm only coughing a little bit.
Okay, again, be careful. Take care.
Yes,
Let's hope that tests are correct. Doctor is wrong, but again, take your, you know, everything
Of course.
how you need. It's okay, Stanislav. Can we start?
Yes, teacher.
Hi,
Let's go.
Let's go.
2x minus y. Okay. Should I read it? Are you gonna rewrite it, teacher? Or...
How you want. Directly, we can start because here is the question.
Okay, teacher. So we multiply the whole first one by 3, so we get minus 3y. Okay.
This one. So you are solving it by elimination, I think.
Elimination, yes. Teacher.
Okay.
And now we have 6x minus 3y equals 9.
Okay.
And
the other one
below.
I'm writing the same. Okay.
Yes, and now, teacher, we do elimination plus 3y with minus 3y.
Okay.
And we get 6x minus x, that's 5x equals 10.
Yes.
X equals 10 over 5, x equals 2.
So x is equal to 2. Now we know the x.
Now we can, how do you say it? I don't know, I forgot. 2
say
times
how you
2.
want. Okay, so we are writing.
So we need to find y, yes, we need to find
we need
y
to find y.
Minus y equals 3 minus 2x.
Okay.
Y equals minus 3 plus 2x.
Okay. Now y is equal to, we know x.
Minus 3 plus 4, that is 1.
That is 1. Okay. Thank you. So the solution is xy. X is 2, y is 1.
And y is 1.
Okay. So Alexander, Stanislav solved by elimination. Your is by substitution. Are you ready? Alexander, are you here?
Oh, yes, teacher. I was talking, but I was muted. Teacher, I solved by elimination. Can you wait for both to best?
Okay, if you want, you can give your turn to your friend who is ready, who has solved.
How do you want, teacher?
Teacher, I'm running out of battery, so my camera will be off now.
Okay. Giovanna, you have solved first one?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's solve with you then.
First, we teacher from the first equation to find the y. It will be y is equal to 2x minus 3.
So y, from the first equation, we are finding y in terms of x. So it will be 2x minus 3. Yes? Also here.
Yes, and then teacher, in the second equation, I did like minus x plus 3 times. Instead of y, we write 2x minus 3 in parentheses.
Yes, is equal to 1.
Okay.
And
it will be minus x plus 6x minus 9 is equal to 1.
Yes.
It will be 5x minus 9 is equal to 1.
Okay.
So 5x is equal to 10 and x is 2.
Okay.
And
we
then
found
from this like y, we can do y is equal to 2 times x minus 3, which is 2 times 2 minus 3, which is 4.
Yes, so 4 minus 3, which is 1. So again, we found the same thing. It's okay?
Yes, teacher, it's okay.
Okay. Let me check something. Did you write?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
I took photo, teacher. I will write after lessons.
Alexander, it's okay?
I'm writing, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, this by row operations is like new method for us, or?
Maybe you have seen, but I don't know. Most probably it is new for you.
Because I don't remember like
Yeah,
the same
yeah.
thing I studied before.
Yes, yes. It is.
Try to solve, but I don't know, teacher, how to solve.
Okay. Substitution method and raw color reduce raw color. I am checking something not to miss. Okay, I'm checking at the same time because mostly we are using the raw method for three when we have three unknowns, you know, like three equations, not two, but three equations. Let me check if we have more. No.
It's okay, teacher. I finished.
Okay. For this one, for the row, for now, guys, I will skip this one, okay? The row operation part, okay? Because I don't want to give something wrong to you because mostly we are using the row operation for three equations when we have like X, Y, and Z, one more unknown, okay? For now, not to mix your mind or the things that you know till now, I will skip this one, okay? We have, Zoom says that we have 8 more minutes. Let's see this one. I'm giving you time to solve this one with the way that you want, okay? Then we will continue, okay? When you will be ready, tell me.
I finished.
Okay. Eva, can we solve with you if you're ready?
Teacher, I'm not finished yet, but
Okay.
I will finish at 2 minutes maximum.
Okay, let's ask if someone else has finished. Fatih?
Not yet, teacher.
Okay. Arta?
No, teacher.
No? Giovanna has raised. We solved one question with Giovanna. Because of that, I am trying to give chance to others. Who will finish first? After, I mean, except Giovanna, the others. You can raise your hand.
Teacher, is there anything else for this lesson?
No,
Like,
no.
I mean, like more examples.
No, we have one more example. If we will have time, also we can solve this one, but it's the easy one that you know. Then next lesson, we'll try to enter to the matrices a bit. Okay.
Okay. Teacher, can you go just to write the example, the next one?
Next one, yes, yes.
Okay, teacher, it's okay.
Okay. Who is ready for this one? Fatih? İlla Fatih'e çözdüreceğim soruyu. Hadi bakalım.
Okay, teacher. I multiply the first equation by
Okay.
3
You're multiplying the first one by 3. Okay.
and the second one with -2
And the second one with -2. Okay.
to make elimination.
Okay. So what we have for the first equation?
9x plus 6y
Okay. Is
is
equal
equal
to,
to 6
yes.
minus 10x plus minus 6y
Yes. Is equal
is
to,
equal to -12.
okay. Then we are adding them.
Yes, and minus x is equal to -6.
So these two will go here. 9x minus 10x will get minus x is equal to 6 minus 12 will get minus.
6.
So x is equal to
6.
6. Okay. We found the x. Now the y. Which equation you will use to find the y?
And the first one?
The first one. Okay. You are taking from here or from here? From the
From,
beginning.
yes, from the beginning.
Okay. So we have 3 times.
3 times 6 plus
Okay.
2y is equal
Okay.
to 2.
Okay.
18 plus 2y is equal to 2.
Okay.
2y is equal to -16.
Okay. And y is equal to
-8.
-8. Okay. Do you have the same result, the others?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. It's okay. Did we understand? I mean, did we remember
Yes.
how we were solving?
Yes.
Can I
Okay.
solve this one, teacher?
Yes, Alexander, why not? What
Wait.
will you do first?
For x minus, I will, just a second, teacher.
Okay. Where have you gone, Alexander? We don't have too much time.
I'm here. Teacher, first,
Haydi.
we will multiply with 2.
First equation, okay.
And it will be 8x minus 4y
Okay.
equal to 14.
Yes.
And we will rewrite the second.
Okay, I'm writing.
So
Yes.
we will eliminate the y.
Okay.
And it will be minus x.
Y minus x.
Minus.
Are you sure? Check. Do we have minus here?
17x.
All of them are with pluses.
So it will be 17x.
Yes, is equal
It will
to.
be 17.
Yes.
X will be 1.
X will be 1. Now we know the x. It's easy to find the y. Which equation
So-
you will use?
The second.
The second one, okay.
So it will be 9 plus 4y is equal to 3.
Yes.
4y is equal to 3 minus 9.
Okay.
4y is equal to minus 3.
Look what am I writing there? This is 9, not 6.
Yes.
So I'm doing the operation. My brain works